Hello, welcome to Radom, the first air show to be held here in 5 years, but as usual it is one of Europe's biggest and best military aviation events. The main reason we're here is to see aircraft like the one behind me. This is one of the final opportunities to see the MiG-29 and Su-22 in military operation at a European air show. We're also seeing many of the Polish Air Force's other assets, a lot of them participating in an air parade at the start of the show, but also solo displays from the likes of the F-16, the Bielik, the SW4 and the C-295M. Many of Europe's top fast jet solo displays are here at Radom, and that includes no fewer than 4 examples of the F-16, the Danish and Belgian solo displays being particularly eye-catching. We've also got an F-18 Hornet from the Finnish Air Force, a Czech Gripen, and a British Eurofighter Typhoon. The only big jet aerobatic team here at the show is the Patrouille Suisse from Switzerland, quite possibly their final airshow appearance in Poland, as there are rumours that the team could be disbanded as early as 2024. Something new for Radom this year is the addition of a night show, predominantly civilian acts, but we do have, particularly of note from the Polish Air Force, their C-130 Hercules performing a spectacular flare dump. We will very soon be publishing a 90-minute episode of Airshow Dispatches, featuring almost every single one of the flying displays to take place here this weekend. But until then, here's a quick look at the best of the action.
To jest najjaśniejszy moment tego pokazu. Cały zasobnik flar wypuszczony w jednej chwili. Piękny pióropusz